Hey, what's up guys, it's Looney here. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to get this glass skin-like look that I have on right now. I see that this is trending and I wanted to recreate the glass look, but there's a twist. I'll be using Vaseline or petroleum jelly, what other people may call it, on my face to give me this glass skin look. So we ratchet on a budget. This bad boy is very cheap and inexpensive and probably laying around your room. So I just decided to come up with this and use this as a glass skin-like look makeup tutorial. Also, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn that post notification bell on so you can notify whenever I upload a new video. And I will see you guys in the next clip. For foundation, I'll be taking the Makeup Forever HD, and I'm in the color Y335. This is a light to medium foundation. So now that foundation's done, I'll be taking the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer and concealing underneath my eyes, forehead, and bridge of my nose. I like to use my finger to melt down the product, which makes it more easier for me to control and as well give me that natural look instead of using a brush. I'm not going to set my face at all because I still want to have that glass skin and I don't want to have a matte face. So I'll be going ahead taking the Too Faced Chocolate Soleil in the color medium deep for bronzing. So I'm going to start contouring the nose, cheeks, forehead, and underneath my chin. So for blush, I'll be using the Sephora blush palette right here. Of course, taking these three colors right here. Just applying lightly. And at my nose and the tip as well. Use this small fluffy brush right here and just blend out. Then moving on to the eyebrows, I'll be taking the Kylie Jenner Cosmetics Kybrow in the color dark brown. And this brow product is very lightweight for as a powder duo, of course. And this will last you all day, through sweat, through rain, literally almost throughout the whole day, which is awesome. So eyebrows are on, and now for some eyeliner, I'm going to use some powder. Using this dark brown shade right here, spraying some setting spray, just a little bit to pick up the color and give me more pigment. I applied lashes and mascara off camera, and then for the bottom lower lash I'll be using the Morphe 35F Fall Into Frost palette and taking this brown shade right here with a flat brush. Now that's done, I'll be lining my lips with the NYX lip pencil in the color Need Me. Put on top, I'll be using this lip gloss. Now for the fun part, well, yeah, the fun part, to make that glass skin look, I'm using some petroleum jelly. Y'all probably like, oof, but we ratchet on a budget right now. Y'all probably going like, ooh, I'm clicking out this video. But for real, you guys, I just thought of it, and petroleum jelly does give you like that shiny look. I'm put a little bit on the high points of my cheeks, my nose, a little bit on my forehead, and then a little bit on my chin as well. You can kind of tell in the light. And then to add that extra glow, I'm going to use some highlighter in the color Champagne Pop. Use some setting spray to set all the makeup in. This is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn that post notification bell on so you get notified whenever I upload a new video. I will see you guys soon in the next video.